Hello folks, and we're back at Maxwell Park. A couple of you were asking about traversers, and I thought I'd just let you see this traverser we've got for the layout. It's a traverser with a turntable built in, and I'll now demonstrate. I'll give you it in more detail later on. We've got wee sliders here. We just slide out, and the same at the other side. And then meter one still engaged on there. There we are. Oh. And there we are, it slides back and forward. It's on some drawer runners that we got, and we've even got a storage bit underneath for storing stock. So that's what you do, and to get the power, we just slide these glass sleeves into place. Let's try. That's that end, and then you've got the other end. And that locks it in place. Now, to turn the turntable around, we've got two slide bolts that we've got, and we just open them, and the same again with the small sliders. There we are, and then hopefully the whole lot just spirals round. We've got small plastic rollers underneath it to facilitate the birl around, and then it just goes in, and then the power gets connected up. No wiring on this traverser at all, it's all done by the brass sliders. Here we are, and the same at the other end. No, you don't do the other end, sorry, you put the bolts back in at the other end, that's what you do. And this bit here goes to the far end again, so that nothing can run off. I'm going to put a wee bit of foam on this, I think, to cushion any hits that you have. So I'll set the camera up again to let you see how the sliders work. So we'll back in a wee minute once I set the camera. Hello friends, we're back with this. I found that the detail of the sliders wasn't really what I wanted to show you, but you can see it a bit better now. You've got the wee slider, and you just slide it back, no, to turn it or to slide it back and forward. That's how it's done. It's just some square brass with a solid brass that goes through it, and that's what transfers the power to the track. It's as simple as that. And the same for the bit where we're using it to burl. Just slide it to the side, and the thing will burl. And there's no, as I said before, there's no wiring in this traverser at all, except for the brass connections. And that's the simplest way that we found we could do it. So with that, I'll sign off. Bye then now. Well, here we are back folks. I'm going to demonstrate these sliders to you. It's just a piece of square hollow brass that goes right through with a solid brass and just slides back and forward. And that's how we power it. There's nothing, you just undo these four, and then the same at the other side, you undo them. And then it just slides back and forward to whatever you want it to be. So I'll now proceed to lock it again. And same at this end. No wiring on this traverser at all. All powered through the brass, and obviously for the turntable there's another set of brass ones in here so the thing can turn. I'll demonstrate that to you, although I did it before. I'll just recuperate it. That's that. I'll not be able to turn it right round because of the camera's in the way, but I'll demonstrate. I thought I'd brought the photo, but there it is. That's how it turns. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but we've got small plastic rollers underneath. I'll see if you can't see it, I'll get the camera to focus on it. See, you can't see it, but there they are. See, they've got the plastic rollers for the turntable to swivel on. We've got 5 at each end to support it, and so the whole thing just swivels on that. Put it back. So there we are. It took us a wee while to engineer it because this was going to be end-to-end layout, and we didn't want to have to be taking the engine off at every end and swapping it about, and I think that's the best plan that we got. So I'll reconnect all this again, put the bolts in, slide the sliders in, and then I'll run an engine down again. Give me a wee minute. Yes, yeah, the Duchess. It runs right through. I'll run it back on green cab. We have got two, one for each direction obviously. Green cab and red cab, which are donated by the LEDs on the panel. Just line it up with the next track, put the pegs back in. There we are. Helps if you switch the cab on, of course. Yes, that's how our traverser works. I hope this has been beneficial for those of you who are thinking about building one.